In today's video, I want to talk about a very important topic: women leadership in male dominated industries. Unfortunately, even after making half of the workforce, women are underrepresented at leadership levels, especially in tech, finance, and engineering domains. Now, in my opinion, this is a problem because we are missing out on unique perspectives, on the experience, on the skills that could make a difference. By addressing this issue, we can create a more diverse, a more inclusive environment where everyone can thrive. See, there are so many stereotypes and biases out there which are created, which suggests that women can't keep up with men. We have all heard that. Women are too soft, they are too emotional, they are too fragile, they will succumb under high pressure situations. These are actually created by the society to keep women behind. They are based on outdated ideas and misinformation, and it's time for us to challenge them. Additionally, women often struggle to find role models and mentors who can guide them through their career. They miss out on the opportunity to get support to take those informed decisions. Furthermore, the pressure to conform to traditional gender norms can be really overwhelming, leading to exhaustion and burnout. But despite these challenges, many women have actually fought their way out as leaders and emerged stronger. If we look at a few examples, we have seen women like Oprah Winfrey build media empires. We have Sheryl Sandberg, who led the charge at Facebook, Malala, who became a global advocate for education, and of course, my favorite, Indira Nooyi, former CEO of PepsiCo, known for her leadership, strategic thinking, and commitment to sustainability. These women are proof that success has nothing to do with gender. So, what can we learn from these women? What can we learn from their experiences? Well, here are 5 simple strategies that I have come up with. The first one, to shine as a women leader, is to build a strong network of mentors and allies. This can be done by attending industry events, by joining professional organizations, and connecting with people on professional platforms like LinkedIn. I'm happy and fortunate that I'm mentoring some really strong women leaders. So, having a support system can provide valuable guidance, encouragement, and opportunities for growth. The second strategy is to build a strong personal brand. This means you identify your strengths, your values, your beliefs, your passions, and communicate them clearly and confidently. By doing so, you can establish yourself as an expert in your field and also increase your visibility. The third strategy is to take calculated risks and step out of your comfort zone. This can be uncomfortable, but it's very essential for growth and development. By taking on new challenges, you can demonstrate your capabilities and also build confidence. The fourth strategy, this is so important, is to prioritize self care and well being. A lot of times, women put others' needs before their own, and this can lead to burnout. So, by taking care of yourselves, you can maintain your energy and your focus on what matters. The fifth and the last strategy is to find your tribe and your community. Look at like minded women like you. Surround yourself with people who share similar goals and experiences. Now, this can provide a great sense of belonging and support. Now, talking about women leaders, I wanted to pick up this example, this inspiring example of a woman who overcame all obstacles in a male-dominated industry. Yes, I'm talking about Mary Barra, the CEO of General Motors. Despite facing sexism and bias throughout her career, she persevered and rose to the top. She's a great example of how hard work, determination, and resilience can lead to success. Now, Mary's story illustrates that the impact of the strategies that I discussed earlier by building a strong network, by developing a personal brand, by taking the calculated risks, by prioritizing self care, and by finding her tribe, she was able to overcome the challenges and achieve her goals. So, if you have a story to share about a woman who has inspired you, please let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in leadership, then please check out this video that I've made on habits of great leaders. I've also made a playlist on leadership series. This will help you in your leadership journey. And next week, I will be talking about what motivates leaders or how leaders keep themselves motivated. So do hit the bell icon so that you don't miss that out. And I will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching.